Good morning, children. Hope you all doing well. Shall we start the today's session? Today the date is 10/10/2020 and class is grade 2. Subject we are going to discuss is science. In the science, we are discussing a revision of lesson 2. Okay. Already we have seen a revision of lesson 1. Now we will discuss a revision of lesson 2. Lesson 2, kinds of plants. Okay, here I have given few multiple choice questions. Okay, please read this, children. This one, which option has circled with the blue color is the correct answer. Okay, children. This one option which is filled with the blue color is the correct answer. Okay, same like this questions will be asked in a test also. You must choose the correct options. Okay, all the questions, all the 25 questions will be a multiple choice only. Okay, children. Okay. Shall we start? Which of the following is a shrub? Herb. Which of the following is a herb? First one. Corn plant. B. Coconut. C. Cotton. Which of the following is herb? See, coconut is a tree. Cotton is a shrub. Okay. Corn plant is a herb. Okay. Corn plant is a herb. Now, which of the following plants live for the only one season? Okay. Which of the following plants lives for one season only? Okay. Banyan tree. Banyan is a tree. It lives for long time. Okay. Coconut. It is also a tree. It lives for long time. It is not a answer. Then what about the answer? The answer is rice. Okay. RICE. Rice. Now, third one. Rose is an example of shrub. It is a bushy plant. Rose is an example of shrub. Okay, remaining three options you can see shrub, herb, and a tree. Rose is not a tree. Rose is not a herb. It is a shrub. Now, which of the following is a creeper? Lady's finger, corn plant, watermelon. Which of the following is a creeper? It is watermelon. Now, cactus plant is a thorny plant. Cactus plant is a thorny plant. These are there in your textbook also. Multiple choice questions. Go through the textbook. Okay, few it is not visible properly. For this you can refer the textbook, children. Fill in the blanks. The plants that need support are called climbers. The plant that need support are called climbers. Okay. Then palm tree does not have branches. Palm tree does not have branches. Okay. These questions also we can ask as a multiple choice. Okay. We will give the statement palm tree does not have. Then we will give four options. In that three will be wrong. One will be the correct branches. Okay. Correct answer. Okay. You need to choose that. This also we will make it as a multiple choice only. Trees stand straight. You must remember all this sentence. The mango tree lives for long time. Tree always live for long time. Keep in mind, children. Then trees will stand straight always. The pumpkin plant lives for one season. One thing you need to remember is all the vegetable plants live for the season. These are seasonal plants, vegetable plants. If I ask you an example of seasonal plant, you must search for the vegetable plants, rice, wheat, like this. Okay. The stem of the tree is called trunk. Shrub are called bushy plants. Shrubs are the bushy plants. Money plant is an example of climbers. Money plant is an example of climbers. Creepers grow on the Ground, where they will grow. The creepers, the plants which grow on the ground are called the creepers, correct? So creepers grow on the ground. Now, cactus have thorns on the leaves. Cactus have thorns on the leaves. Okay, children? The cactus are the thorny plant. So they have a thorns on a leaf. Now, give two example for each of the following. This you must remember, children. I will ask you surely in the test. All the example you need to remember. Herbs. There are at least remember any four example. Herbs. Tomato, tulsi are the herbs. Okay, these are seasonal plants also. Shrubs. Rose, cotton, little bigger than the herbs. Okay. Climbers, pea, money plant. Next, tree, mango, coconut. Okay, can write people, banyan, this one palm, ashoka, this and all trees. Thorny plant, cactus, rose. Cactus, rose, thorny plant. Plants that live for long time are the trees. You can write for this trees. Okay, people and mango tree, and they will live for long time. Okay, children. Thank you. Read all this. Okay, in these questions I will make it a multiple choice. Okay, read all this properly. See the examples also. Just read more. Okay, around at least four examples you need to learn. Okay, children. All the best for your test. Bye. Thank you.